Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, May the 12th, 2020. We have one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but in this newspaper there are also several extra Sudokus. In the additional, the high priority is to solve the regular Sudokus first. So I will start in a minute with this one, the medium Sudoku. I will start. So let's get started. All right. We have a 7 in this last column, a 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for a 7 should be here or there. But I see here a 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for a 7 should be here. Then, can I continue with the 7? Yes, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for a 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see. A 3 in this row, a 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 3 should be a hair. And then we have the how about the 5 in this column? A 5 in the middle column. So on the column next, the only two places for a 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Okay. The one in this row, the one in the middle row, so in the row below, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here. How about the 7 now in this column? 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so in the row between, the only 3 places for a 7 should be here, here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Lucky 7. Yes. All right. How about the number? It's not gonna use. Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then the other 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 9. 2, 6, 9. 269, we have a 2 here, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 6 and the 9 are left. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Well. How about... I cannot continue. Let me see which number. These 3 numbers, missing numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing, yes. And I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Well. Am I stuck or not? I do not know. How about... Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there in this row. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle row we have an 8 over there. So in the row below, the only 2 places for an 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. Then yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. In this row, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. That means in this big square, these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here, so the 4 can also not be in these 3 boxes. So we have 1 box left for the 4, should be this one. Yes. 6. Okay. 5, 4. Yes, 2 in the 3rd column, 2 in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Here we have a pair, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. So 2 and a 4. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. One missing number in this column for the number 4. two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. I marked them 9 and 3 so you can easy walk with. Yes, in this column two missing numbers for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then, how about 3? No, the 3 I cannot. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. One missing number in this row for the number 6. Yes. Then how about 3. Are the 2's used? No, the 2 are not used. A 2 in this row, the 2 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column, last column for the number 3. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then we have these 2 numbers left for the number 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. 8 and 4. These 2 numbers, the 6 and the 9, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column? So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3. The 8, 4, and the 5 are missing. 8, 4, and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers in the second row for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. These three numbers, the 5, the 8, and the 4. I see here the 8 and the 5. So no 8 and the 5 in this box. The 4 is left. We have the 8 and the 5, 8 and the 5. One box left in this column for the number 3. We have here 9 and a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left, 9 and a 6. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this middle row for the number 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Here we have the 8 and the 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 8 and the 4. We have a 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Finish in 60 minutes. All right. Could be faster. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up if you like, thumbs down if you dislike. Thank you again, and I see you the next time, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye.